Hi, welcome all of you, and you are watching Yourpedia Education. And Yourpedia is the platform which is presently uploading some videos where you people get motivated. You people keep focused, keep yourself focused on preparation, so that till the GATE exam we get a really good score. And I have realized that it is all thinking. If you think positive, think in a creative way, think positive, things come to you. If you think negative, negative things come to you. It is said that you will be what you will to be. So if you think positive, positive things comes to you. There's a law of attraction. It works actually. I see that whenever some video is uploaded, there are different kind of comments. Some people give positive, some people are so pessimistic, negative comments come. Like your PDF, we started the videos where with a low gate score you can land up in IITs. Now student, when I started uploading those videos, the pessimist people started identifying the gaps. They said, oh, this is the only energy department, you don't get jobs from there. Then I put the basically videos where jobs are also there. They say, oh, these are not the good jobs. So my point is, why to think negative? If thinking is in your control, think positive, because that will make your life positive and something good will come to you. Think in a creative way, think in a different way, think in a smart way, think in a positive way, and believe me, getting career is very easy, not difficult. But only thing is, you need to be little smart, you need to accept the things, you need to follow those things and implement it. Like suppose you get to know from somewhere, okay, even if my gate score is less, I have a hope. A person will think, okay, there's a positivity. At this stage, there are two kind of people. Preparation is same. One is thinking, okay, I may not qualify. Another is say, maybe I qualify, I may not qualify. So next 3 months, let's give my best. There is an optimistic fellow, he gives best. Pessimist fellow stops preparing. Optimist gives his best and qualifies the gate by 0.5 marks, qualifies by 0.5 marks. And merely by qualifying, he gets call from IIT. Now he wrote the exam, he knows that I have just qualified, and he keeps preparing for the interview with the hope that I'll get interview, with the hope I'll get interview. Incidentally, he gets interview and he goes because he was prepared. He goes and gets selected. Now, which department he got? Let's say oceaneering, ISC. Everybody told him, this is not a good department, don't go there. He said, no, 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 I know there are a couple of guys who are doing big in this department. So he goes with the hope that I will be among those guys. And he makes big in the life. Now you see everything. It all depends upon your thinking. Like from the very beginning, you are thinking positive. Okay, will I be in position to clear gate? My preparation is not good. Okay, let's hope we clear it. And you clear by 0.5. Okay, 0.5 I cleared. Will I get the call? Let's hope I get the call. And you started preparing for applications and interviews and you get selected. Okay, you got selected in a department which people said, no, may not be very good department. You said, no, I know that out of 20 students, 3 students got very good placement in this department. Maybe I will be among those 3. And because of this, you were among those 3. This is how it goes. This is called smart work. And the other side is, no, I will not clear this side. Let's go for next year. Next year also, oh, this year only 50, 60 marks come. I'll not get PSU. I'll not get even IIT. Lot of competition. I did not apply. And you are sitting, wasting your time. So the crux is, please keep putting effort. Please pushing. Life gives you best. You need to be positive. You need to be hopeful. You need to push hard. Yourpedia is there with you in this. Let's push together.